go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so today's wig is coming from an Amazon company, and right now I'm just showing you all the things that came in the package. And this wig was a 4x4 kinky curly hair. And yeah, you guys, we're going to get right into preparing this wig for me to install it. So first thing first, guys, if you've been watching me, you know that I have not bleached my knots in a while. I am using my Mean Grip wig knot healer, and I'm using it, I believe, in the color chocolate. And I'm just pretty much putting it all over the lace, and what it does, it temporarily bleaches the knots, meaning it gives you a scalp like look on your lace. And yeah, you guys, so right now what I'm doing is just cutting the lace off. And once I am done, and you guys, you see this, like I'm cutting the lace off, and you see how seamless this wig looks, like amazing. So right now, guys, I am using a new product. It's my Mean Grip liquid ice, and it is a glueless gel. And it is a temporary hold product for those who do not want to use glue. And like I said, it's temporary. So all I'm doing is putting it over the hairline where I want to place the wig at, and I am taking the blow dryer and putting it on a cool setting, and I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit until the gel gets a little tacky. And once it gets tacky, you guys, I will place the lace over the gel where I place, where I place the gel at. Now once I place the lace over the area where I put the liquid ice at, all I'm going to do is gently press the lace into the liquid ice gel, and I'm going to blow dry it again to kind of get it, completely dry. Or you can put a scarf over the area and let it sit on for about 10 minutes, and then it'll dry. So right now, you guys, I'm getting ready to style this wig and flat iron it and whatnot. So yeah, you guys, continue to stay tuned and finish watching me style this wig. Okay guys, so right now I am putting a little mousse onto the hair to kind of give it that wet look, because I could have left it the way it was, just kind of combed it out and left it poofy, but I kind of want that wet look. So all I'm gonna do is put a little mousse on it and comb it out, and yeah, to make it have that wet look. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to use the Mean Grip Wig Knot Healer and put a little bit in my part to kind of define my part a little bit, even though I didn't really need it, but I went ahead and put a little more in there. But yeah, you guys, here is the finished look. Definitely let me know in the comment section what you thought of this wig, and definitely stay tuned to the rest of the video to get my thoughts on this wig, and also me talking about the new product that I use to lay this wig down. Hi guys, so now that you've seen how I installed this wig, I'm so excited. Again, you guys, I am coming to you guys with a new product, guys. So this product that I used in my video is my new liquid ice, guys. And this is for you guys who doesn't like to glue their system down and they want a temporary hold product. So this product is a temporary hold product. This is not glue. You can take this wig off with water. And you guys, I'm so excited about this because I've been getting a lot of people reaching out to me asking me for a glueless option, and here it goes. Here is your glueless option. Again, this is liquid ice. So it is Mean Grip liquid ice, you guys. And again, like I said, this is a temporary hold product. This product it's not water resistant. This is not sweat resistant, you guys. Again, this is a temporary hold product. This is kind of like you got to be gel. It's a temporary hold product. But I like it because it absolutely secured my wig. My wig is not going anywhere. As you can see, guys, this wig is down. It's not going nowhere. So I definitely love this product. If you guys want to purchase the Mean Grip liquid ice, you guys can purchase it at my website. I will put all the links down in the description bar. And for this 8-ounce bottle, you can get it for $16.99. Now this 8-ounce bottle will last you for a long time. Not only can you secure your wig with the liquid ice, you can also use it to create your baby hairs and also to lay down your ball cap method if you want to use it for that. Again, this is a temporary hold product, you guys, and you can use this product along with our Mean Grip adhesive. So it's totally up to you guys how you want to use it. But today I used it to actually lay down my wig and secure my wig. And as you guys can see, my wig is laid. It ain't going nowhere. Look at that. It ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere, guys. So definitely, if you guys again want to purchase this product, definitely check out my website and you can buy it from there. But let me get into the specs on this hair. So this hair is a 20-inch 4x4 lace wig, and it is a curly wig. Now you guys, love this wig. I love the texture of this wig. When I got it, again, you guys, in the beginning I showed you I have not, if you've been watching me for a while, I have not bleached the knots on my wig in a long time. So today, to temporary bleach my knots, I used the Mean Grip knot healer, and as you can see, it may like look onto your lace. And yeah, so I haven't had to bleach my knots. And the wig knot healer, you guys, it is water resistant and sweat resistant. So if you swim or get it wet, the knot healer would not come off. Unlike makeup, once you swim or get any type of water or sweat, it pretty much goes away, and this does not go away. So that's the good thing about the wig knot healer. So back to the hair, you guys. So I did purchase this hair off of Amazon. I'm not exactly sure how much I paid for it, but again, I'll put everything down in the description bar if you guys want to purchase this wig. But so far I am loving the hair. Only thing I must say I didn't like was the wig, how it like came over here and it was kind of knotted here. So I didn't really like that, because like a track is right here, so the track kind of make it kind of bulky. So I didn't like that about the wig. See, it's kind of bulky like right here. So I didn't like that about the wig, but overall I like the texture of the wig. I have not been getting too much tangling with the wig, which is a good thing. I mean, at the end of the day, this is a curly wig and you might get some tangling, but not much. And I have not been getting that much shedding with this wig either. So if I had to rate this wig from 1 to 10, I would give it like an 8.5, because of the lumps that's pretty much on the side that I'm not liking at all. And that's about it. For the texture of the wig, I love it. Yeah, I like this wig. I really don't have any big complaints about it. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Like I said, if you guys want to purchase anything that I use in this video, I will definitely put all the links down in the description bar. And please guys, go to my website and support me by buying our new Mean Grip Liquid Ice and all other products that's on my website. And if you already purchased from me, I thank you guys so much for supporting my website. I thank you. I mean, I did not expect my website to take off as it did, but again, I thank you guys for supporting me. You guys, I'm gonna get out of this video because I'll keep on rambling. But before I jump out of this video, definitely make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button, and in order for you guys not to miss any uploads that I do, make sure to hit that notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you guys will not miss one. I upload a video every week, Wednesday and Saturday, and if you do not want to miss not one video that I upload, definitely hit the notification bell and also the subscribe button. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.